tank is mounted in there. Real easy design. Grounded everything. It's pretty much everything went well. The tank, I mounted it under here so you can see. Made a custom bracket. Real easy to make. Took off the skid plate, it was just plastic, and just replaced it with this metal one. This line goes to the horn let me see, where does it go? Yeah, it goes to the horn back here. The main one goes here to the tank down there. What else? And this one goes to the remote inside the truck. Let me show you how it goes. There it is, guys. Everything came out very well.